first, Mantis came out with this. This is great. The very first Mantis training tool, which worked absolutely perfect. Then they upped it and came out with the 10. Sorry, I'm trying to do this behind a tripod. And this was a littler package that did so much more than the first one. And this has the shotgun attachment and all the other doodads that came with it. This worked even better. Now they've taken it one step further and came out with the Laser Academy training kit. This is an unboxing for this. I did obviously take it out of the brown box, but I have not opened it yet. I wanted to do that on camera. So let me get these out of the way. This is the full kit, which includes the portable unit and the main unit. Now, I haven't messed with this yet or anything, so we'll see how it goes. This is more just an unboxing. Oh, but there's also one other part. There is what they call the Mantis Blackbeard, and it is for AR-15s, and it comes with a built-in charging handle and bolt and laser and a magazine, and it's auto resetting your trigger, so you can just fire and fire and fire. You don't have to pull the charging handle. It's all built in. Laser on your targets, so that'll be great. So we got this box. This came in. Put that right down here, and then we have this. Now let's see what we got in here. Cool. This should be the big tripod. If I oh yeah, oh, a phone holder, tripod, oh, remote control. All right, so we have the tripod set up, as you can see. It looks like a phone holder that would attach to that. Oh, two ways, either attach it this way or that way. And then let's go here. We have some, oh, a whole stack of targets. That's pretty neat. And then we have, let's see what all we have in here. Oh, now this goes with the portable set, a little set of tripods. Another phone holder. This is the 9mm. There's the laser, and here is a wooden dowel with Mantis. I have no idea what that's for yet. What we got up here? Serious about your shooting. Oh, quick start guide. This is, it appears to be like a tack. Sticky tack, must be for the targets, so attach them to the wall. A code and a stack full of littler targets. So, like I said, I haven't messed with this. There's no battery or batteries in anything, or I don't even know how it activates yet. I'll have to check. But there is your 9mm laser. And there's a place for a 380, 45, 40 Smith & Wesson, and 223. Wasn't anything in here. So you have your little bipods, which, okay, that's all bendable. It'll hold a phone. I don't know if it'll, it would probably hold an iPad. but I don't know how you get it attached. So anyhow, with the main kit, you get the bigger tripod, the portable bipod, 2 phone holders, and then whatever caliber you order it in. If you want 9 or 380, you get 1. You can buy the extra ones. You get a quick start guide. You'll get a so you can add this code and get full access to the whole website. You get the little targets. Let's count, see how many. I don't even know how many's in here. I will be making a video this weekend of setting it up and using it, and we'll see how that works. Oh, there's quite a few in here. Oh, different ones. Oh, that was neat. Hostage situation. So you got the face, a couple bullseye. It's right here. A couple hostage. You have your silhouette. And oh, you got some dots. That's kind of neat. I thought they were, oh, you got a dartboard if you want to play a dart game. And what it is, you shoot this, and it shows up on the iPad or iPhone through the app where you actually hit and keep score. So I'll get this all set up this weekend and do an actual video showing how everything works. Like I said, this is just the unboxing. I wanted to show that, what all was included with this kit. And the, oh, that's what was in there. That little, the one for the Blackbeard for the 223 is on its way. A lot has been ordered. I guess they're swamped with orders, mainly because you can't find ammo right now, and this is the ultimate dry fire practice, because you get to use whatever gun you carry or your competition gun with your actual trigger and trigger weight. Your gun, everything ready to go. You can't beat that. So you're not getting the recoil, I understand that, but you are getting trigger time anywhere in the house or garage or basement, and you're doing it without wasting ammo. And we all know ammo's like gold right now. So anyhow, watch probably Sunday night for the video of this being set up and used. And then when the 223 one comes for the AR, same thing. I'll do a quick unboxing video for it, and then I'll also go into another video of it being used, so you can see just what to get. And I'm telling you, in this crazy world we live in right now, when so many is allowed here or you're not allowed here, you can't do this, you can do this, but only with it, whatever it is. If you're missing range time or you just don't have the ammo, Mantis X has our back. I've been dealing with Mantis since they came out, and I want to thank Austin for everything all these years and everything in the future. And hey, everyone, thanks for watching. I know it's been a while. I have some issues with my father's health, and I know you're probably saying, yeah, right. No, that's up to you whether you believe it or not. But anyhow, I will talk to you in a few days. Thanks for watching.